if you have tried upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 but it hasn't worked after a lot of attempts also, then this is the right video for you, which requires no USB, no data loss. It will bypass all the system requirements like TPM and will also keep your installed apps and files. So first of all, open command prompt by typing cmd on search button and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you can see we are under system 32 over there, and type this command over here. I will provide all the commands required in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And here check for default system UI language. We can see it is EN-US, it means English of United States. So go to your browser and type Windows 11 ISO download, and from the first link, which is the official Microsoft link, click on download Windows 11. Scroll all the way down till you find download Windows 11 disk image ISO, and here click on select download, click on Windows 11 and click on confirm. Here in the select the product language, click on choose on, and since our default system UI language was English of United States, select English United States and click on confirm. So here you can see 64-bit download. Click on it and it will start to download your file. After downloading, simply open File Explorer and go to downloads. Here our file is downloaded over here. Right click the ISO file and select mount. This will open the ISO as a virtual DVD drive on your PC. Just simply select all the files in this folder and press Ctrl+C to copy it. After that, go to local disk C and create a new folder and name it Win11 and hit enter. So open this folder and press Ctrl+V to paste all the files that we copied. Now we will run this setup using a command that skips hardware checks. This step is essential if your device does not meet Windows 11 requirements like TPM or secure boot. Type cmd on start button and open command prompt as an administrator. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and here type this command. I will provide this command also in the description, so don't forget to check it out, and hit enter. After that, you can see here you can have a window like install Windows Server, but don't worry, while installing it will install Windows 11 in your PC. So let me close the command prompt and minimize the file explorer so we can completely focus on installing our Windows 11. Click on next and click on next again and click on accept and select keep files, settings and apps and click on next. So it will make our PC ready to install Windows 11 and click on install. It will restart several times, and this is how our screen is shown after the installation is finished. Just open it by entering up your PIN if you have, and this is the screen. It might take a few minutes for it to complete. Here you can see our Windows 11 has been installed successfully. So let's check if it is really Windows 11. You can see in this screen that we have installed Windows 11 successfully. You can type WINBER in search bar and hit enter to check the Windows version. So there is still one thing left to do. We can go to local disk C and the folder Win11 that we curated over here. You can now delete it to save up some more space. For more tech updates like this, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.